Using a PDF through Google Slides. Part 1. To start with, we need to open our PDF.
Okay, I'm going to go to page 20 because I know we have this context clues activity. And I want to be able to see the whole activity because we're going to take a snapshot of it. So on a PDF, I can just zoom out a bit. How does that look?
Okay, it looks good.
The first thing we're going to do is take a picture using the snipping tool. So we have it, we can see the whole thing. We'll drag, and I'm going to save it to the desktop and close it. And we can close this also, the PDF, we're done.
Part 2.
And we're going to go to our drive and create a slide. What do you think about that?
Okay. You said I'm going to be doing something new with my PDF. So now that I'm in Google Slides, I'm going to select the Simple Light theme, and click OK. And I want to get rid of these text boxes that are on here. So I'm just going to click on them and hit Delete. And click on the second one and hit Delete. And you'll see right now that the page is turned sideways, and we really need the page up and down like a regular sheet of paper. And so if you can go up to File and down to Page Setup and click on the box, and I need to select Custom. And a regular sheet of paper is 8.5 by 11. And click OK. We also need to change our file name, so we just click and type in the same file name as what our PDF was. Now with that image that we took of the PDF, let's make the background of this slide. So click on Background. We're going to go get that image. Choose the image to upload. It was on our desktop. Click on it, and it's going to upload, and put that image right there on your background.
Wow, so it's the background. I can't move it around. That's nice. It's locked down.
Okay, so now how can I use this in my classroom?
What we can do is have students, we'll assign it to them, they'll open it up, and they can use this text box to click and fill in. So one of the vocabulary words was elaborate. So they can use text boxes and move it around, and if they want to, change the font or the size, they can do that too. And when they submit, it will have their answers.
Assigning through Google Classroom.
So we have our file, and it's in the drive. So I'm going to come back to Google Classroom.
And so this was an assignment. It's called Context Clues, and I need to attach this Google slide from my Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Google Drive. There is the Google Drive we just created. Click Add. Now we need to choose the option that we want to make a copy for each student, because we want each student to create their own work.
Okay, so make a copy for each student. So we have our learning target, our steps. So the student would open the context clue document, use text boxes to complete the graphic organizer, and turn it in. So let's go ahead and assign that. Let's look at it from a student view. So this is a student logon, and I'm going to click on the assignment. Okay, on the instructions, it gives me the instructions, and I need to use text boxes. So again, it named the file, the slide.
And since we already turned this PDF into a Google slide, our students are able to use those text boxes to type in their work and to enhance their writing by making it larger, making it more colorful.
Actually, what's nice is they could use the tool, the define, for vocabulary words, and type their vocabulary word and use some of this to help fill in the context.
Oh, that's a very nice feature to add to this.
And when the students are done, I see it doesn't have a turn in. So we would come back to the context clues and turn it in here.
One more example.
So here's another example of a PDF made into a slide. And in this one, it has them color. So we could have them draw a circle around the red around the synonyms and blue around the antonyms.
Big and small, those are the antonyms. So it looks like I need a blue circle. So we need to go to shapes. We need to get a circle. But it's shaded in. So I need to go up to the fill color and I need to click on transparent.
Now we need to change the color to blue. And on this drop down, we can change it to blue. And students can, the next time, they could click on it and I believe it's edit duplicate or Control D if they just want to do that for the next antonym. Okay, so that's how they would use a shape to work on a PDF document in slides.